Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now? Unlock the phone and go straight to Settings. Once there, open Display, sometimes labeled Screen or Accessibility on some models. Make sure you noted Android version. It affects where Controls live. If your goal is a specific smaller size, decide a target like 90% or 0. 9 scale before adjusting. Don't waste time exploring menus. Follow Display or Accessibility immediately, because that's where font and display size controls live, and we'll change them next. Now you'll change the sliders. Tap font size and style and drag the slider down. You'll see preview text shrink in real time. If your device hides font controls, go to Display Size or Accessibility and adjust display scaling instead. That reduces UI elements and text together. Make incremental moves. Once done, inspect common apps like Messages and Settings. If there's an Apply or Restart prompt, accept it. Make sure to test both Portrait and Landscape after smaller settings take effect. Finish with advanced tweaks. Enable developer options and change smallest width (DPI) to fine-tune font density, but proceed slowly. Lower numbers make UI smaller system-wide. If system options don't reach your target, install a trusted launcher or font manager to force smaller text, and then test. Once done, verify readability across apps. If text becomes cut off or overlaps, immediately revert to previous settings or raise the scale a notch. That single troubleshooting step usually fixes clipping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.